Hey, what's up, dude?
Hey, what's going
Not a whole lot.
on?
Enjoying this fantastic weather.
Yeah. Alright. So, I was thinking that we need to do a weekly series of blowing up stuff with Tannerite. Because, you know, that's a favorite of everybody's.
Oh, agreed. And the best part about using Tannerite for that stuff is you can just find free blow up everywhere.
Right. Right. So, we're going to do an appliance for next week?
Say no more, fam. I got this.
I feel like, what's his name from Armageddon? I got a first class seat to the end of the world.
That's not right. Holy shit. Blind shot. I'll take it. Hot. Hey, it worked.
That actually worked. Did what it was supposed to do.
So here's what I'm thinking. A little propane bottle bro down. After second thought, maybe that name kind of sucks. What about propane bottle destruction in science? You know, for the kids, it's God's work. Somebody's got to educate them these days.
Right. Alright. That sounds good. Propane bottle destruction with science. It will be.